navigation through the phone faster and easier and offers ample amount of features that will come in handy every now and then. There is 64 GB of internal storage offered on the Honor 9N, which is more than enough for any average smartphone user, but if the need be for more, the Honor 9N also provides an option of adding more storage using an external microSD. If not, you can always use the slot to house two SIMs at the same time. In case there haven't been enough reasons for you to switch to Honor 9 till now, here is a big one. The smartphone comes with a battery that will let you cruise through a day of use. What's more, it also comes with features like a power saving mode as well as an ultra power saving mode that enable you to make the battery last even longer. For all those shutterbugs out there, the Honor 9N makes sure that you would need no other device to maintain your social media handles. The dual camera setup at the back is able to capture some stunning images with the perfect detailing and just the right amount of colors and exposure. And not just the back camera, the story continues with the selfie camera as well. In case you are accustomed to overexposed and grainy selfie images, the Honor 9N will be a huge upgrade for you. There are endless things on offer with the all-new Honor 9N. It has got a near 6-inch display that also comes with a notch, which everyone is craving for these days. It has got an all-glass finish that gives it a premium look and feel. It also promises great images through its dual camera setup at the back, and it comes with a kind of firepower that can take on any and every operation that you might want to perform on your smartphone. If we were to sum up the all-new Honor 9N, we would say that it is a have-it-all deal at a price that is way too easy on your pocket.